Haripriyan's kitchen. So today's recipe is a very delicious recipe. It's egg noodles. So now let's get into the video. Before that, if you are watching my channel for the first time, do like, share, subscribe my channel and comment below with your experience. Let's get into the video. I have 2 eggs here. I'm going to add salt and pepper and mix it. Let's add salt as per taste and mix it once and keep. This recipe will be delicious, obviously delicious. Let's now heat up a hot tawa and add the egg mixture into it. So now the tawa is well hot. Now let's add the omelette mixture. So now let's spread oil over here. So I've flipped it over. So now let's take it and put the next one. Before that, let's clean the tawa. I spread over the omelette. Now let's add oil. Spread over oil. Enough. I've flipped it over. So now let's take it over. The omelette is well cooked. So now let's slice it, the omelette. I'll show after I slice. So see, I've sliced it very nicely. So now in a hot kadai, I'm adding oil. So now let's add onion to it. 1 onion sliced and cabbage to it. So now let's saute it well. So now let's add salt as per taste. So now let's add capsicum and chili into the hot mixture. So tomato, I've taken out the seed and only adding the peel. So now let's saute it well. After it's saute, I will see you. So now let's add ginger and garlic paste. It is done by Roshini's sister in Cook with Comali season 3. So all the ingredients added are well roasted. Now let's add sauces into it. I've taken several sauces. First, let's add tomato sauce. Next, let's add red chili sauce. So now let's add green. Now let's add soy sauce. Now let's add pepper powder. So now let's well saute it. So now let's add egg. This step should be done really very gently. Don't be harsh into it. As our egg noodles is ready. Just adding spring onions. So ready. Let's switch off the stove and hot. Let's serve it very hot. So our egg noodles is ready. The texture is awesome. Now let's taste it. It's awesome. Do try this recipe and comment below how it's your experience. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do like, share, subscribe my channel and comment below how it's your experience. Thank you for watching. Tata, bye bye.